Here we have a unboxing video of the Wunderlich Marathon Pro windscreen for the BMW R1300GS and GS Adventure. This is the largest one they make. I currently have a regular Marathon, which is not quite as tall as I'd like, being 6'3". So there's a little packing slip, packed nicely in bubble wrap, which is always good. And here is the actual screen. Get rid of the box. The inner liner there, we've got some bits in here. I don't know what this is. Looks like a little mounting brackets. And here's the actual screen. It's supposedly 2 inches taller and 2 inches wider than the regular Marathon. So I will do a size comparison and installation in the next segment. Okay, first I'm going to measure the old screen. This is the Marathon regular size from the middle. Above the adaptive cruise control, we are at 16.25. For comparison, the new screen, the same mounting holes, is 17.5 and significantly wider at the base. So that's for scale. And now we'll get this thing mounted. Okay, the 1300 screens come off a lot easier than the 1200s and the 1250s. It's 4 T25s. Can almost do this in real time, it's so simple. And the last one. Just like that. Could never do it that fast on a 1200 or a 1250. Okay, old screen is off. I cleaned it up real fast, and now we're going to put the new one on. We've got the original hardware, because the new hardware that they sent I didn't particularly like. It was anodized black. I like the original bolts. I'll just get us all 4 started. I put it in the, there's 2 mounting positions for these windscreens. There's an upper and a lower. Okay, there's 2. They are a bit fiddly getting in. Putting a little thread locker on the other last 2. And these should go in easy breezy. There's 3, and there's 4. Snug them up a little bit. Don't really need the power tools, but I got it out. Don't need to thunder torque them. There you have it. The Wunderlich Marathon Pro windscreen.